Hello everyone, I'm Sister Zhang from Atlas. Today is the time to share the product with you again. Today we are going to share two products from Siemens. One is the LH100. This is a pressure transmission. Another product is what you see, which is a digital level flow and bar controller, LT50 launched by Siemens. First of all, let's introduce this pressure transmission to you. This is a very high performance hydrostatic pressure measuring principal pressure transmission. The hydrostatic water level ratio can be converted into a 42210 MOS signal, thus achieving accurate measurement of the liquid level. So today we are mainly going to share with you this product. What are its advantages? Well, first of all, point number one, as you can see, this product has a relatively compact structure and the body is small in size, easy to install and maintain. It can be used in places with limited space, reduce installation costs. Secondly, it is made of stainless steel shell and ceramic diaphragm and other anti-corrosion materials. It can resist the erosion of various corrosive media, enhance the reliability and service life of the equipment. It is suitable for a variety of harsh industrial environments. At the same time, the ventilation pipe in the connecting cable can effectively prevent the formation of condensation, avoid measurement errors, and equipment damage caused by condensation. At the same time, this transmission has explosion-proof function. It can be used safely in hazardous areas. The output for 2 to 10 MA standard signet can be easily connected and integrated with various control systems and instruments. Realize remote control and monitoring of liquids, meeting the needs of industrial automation. Okay, if you have any questions about this product, welcome to contact us at any time. Of the equipment. Okay, that's it for today's sharing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.